Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna review GoPro 8 and Osmo Mobile 3. Which is best? What do you think? So that's it. That's my quick review. I will make more maybe in detail on how to use both gadgets, GoPro 8 and Osmo Mobile 3. But technically, if you want to do just hit and shoot, I prefer you go for GoPro. And if you want to make some panning, zooming, and some dolly shots, or maybe some very nice cinematic video, I prefer you use the gimbal because it's nice, but I need to practice more. Stay tuned for the next video as we discover more about the gimbal and more about the GoPro 8. I hope you like it, and please subscribe, and see you next time.